Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be updating my current Chia farmer full node over to 1.3. Now I'm going to have to also do it for the one harvester that I have, but I'm going to be testing out making sure that I can compress the database. So I will be doing that update, which I'm going to walk you guys through right now. I'm actually going to test it out. So before you guys even click away from the video and before you even unsubscribe to my channel, don't get freaked out the fact that I'm coming on from a different angle, from a different position, where I normally sit over there. Today I'm doing a video on my farmer, so I have to get into a machine that has access in RDP, which I don't really like doing it on the Mac. So let's get into it. Hit up chia.net, go to downloads, and we see version 1.3. I'm going to download that. 218 megs, not bad. So the 1.3 has already downloaded. There's a whole bunch of features that has been updated, but right now one of the newest things that I'm interested to see is what is the new database and what is that about. Let's go through it really quick. Beginning in 1.3, Chia uses version 2 of its blockchain database. The new database is still written in SQLite, but it has undergone a series of optimization. Approximately 45% reduction of the size of the database, as well as slight improvement in its performance, which is okay. If you want to install a brand new full node on Chia 1.3 or later, version 2 of the database will be created when you run Chia init. If you want to stick with version 1, simply run that command right there, which is right over here. If you, for whatever reason, you want to keep it on version 1 of the database when you do a fresh new install of Chia. But for you veterans of Chia, you will actually have to do a Chia database upgrade. If you're already running a full node prior to upgrading to Chia 1.3, the upgrade will not happen automatically. To perform the upgrade is Chia DB upgrade. This is documented in details in our CLI reference. Right now I have the Chia setup 1.3 already installed. This is my farmer. This is actually the 34 frame rig that I have installed. I did not stop Chia. I am still running it right now, and I'm just gonna run the application. So this is pretty cool. So now you get to choose between a wallet mode and a farm mode, and because this is my farmer, this is the 34 open drive bay rack that I built for Chia. If you haven't seen that, make sure to check that out whenever you get a chance. So I am going to be using this as the full farming node or farming mode. You can tell it actually got a whole bunch of significant enhanced details of this application now that it's actually going through like it's not built from the 1990s. Looks pretty interesting so far. All right, guys, so the installation completed, but the wallet is still syncing right now. You can see from my plots, I have everything there. The farm is showing that I have all my plots accounted for. It's passing filter. You can see, I can tell from looking at this that my harvester instantly reconnected back, so I'm good with that. This is not what I earned so far. I've actually earned more than that, but because the wallet is syncing, obviously that's not going to update till a little bit later. But what I am interested in doing right now is keep this running, and then I'm going to do a database upgrade. What I'm going to be comparing it to is what I have it at now, which is 74 gigs is what I have with the SQLite file. This is the actual database file. That's the largest one in this folder, and the chia.main.db folder. It says 71.2, but this goes by kilobits. So it's 71 gigs, and that's what we're going to be focused on right now. So I am going to be pulling up the PowerShell window so we can actually get this database shrinking going on right now. Minimize this. Let's just look through the instructions really quick right now. What is the new database? All right, so we're not doing a brand new database. We're just doing an upgrade from an existing. So I do have the existing right now, but it is mentioned here that you should perform this before you decide to copy this off over to any other nodes that you have. Otherwise, it can be corrupted. The full instructions will be here. I'll link that in the description below. So let's go through the steps right now. So you're looking at your main page of your drive. Go to C, users. So you want to locate the app data folder, app data, local, Chia blockchain, and here is the new 1.3 that we just installed. Go to resources, unpack daemon, and you want to hold down your shift key, right click, and open PowerShell window here. So here is the PowerShell window that we're going to be focused on. Now I just wanted to point out right here, because the upgrade version 1 to 2, from 1 to 2 of the database is time consuming, most users will likely only perform it on one of their system and copy the new database file to their other system afterward. If you choose this option, be sure to either copy the file before running chia start farmer dash -R, which is -restart, or stop Chia altogether if it's already using the new database. Warning, if you copy a database file to another computer while Chia is currently using it, you're risking corrupting it, which will require a full resync from the Genesis. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is upgrade. Takes several hours, so feel free to perform this at your leisure. After the upgrade has completed, run Chia start farmer -R. So right now, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to type in Chia, tab. I usually get rid of that backspace. I don't know, it's a habit. BB upgrade. Let's see what commands they give us. Okay, so it's converting full block. So remember guys, I said that my current database is 71 gigs. That's where it's at right now. So hopefully this will do its thing. It'll take its time and we'll see what happens after that. All right guys, so the database completed. Look at the message here. It says leaving previous database file untouched. So I'm gonna have to either move it off or just delete it, do whatever you want with it. So just to give you guys a quick update, is 74 kilobytes here. So this was 71 gigs. It has compressed it down to 37.4 gigs. So that's pretty much what happened. It did take a couple hours and it tells you exactly how long it took over here. I'll throw up the calculation for you guys. It says to, after you're done, to start Chia start farmer -R. I guess I could do that. So that's pretty much it guys. I just had to, switch up my little camera angle here and position myself so I can jump on this machine to show you guys the database update. Please remember to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.